In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group on WhatsApp Web. If you use WhatsApp on your computer, creating a group there is a quick and convenient way to start a conversation with multiple people at once. It's especially useful when you want to organize a team chat, plan something with friends, or keep family members in one place without needing to use your phone for every step. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to WhatsApp Web and that your chats are visible on the screen. Once you're on the main WhatsApp Web interface, look toward the top area above your chat list. There, you'll find the plus sign. This button is used to start something new, so when you see it, go ahead and click on it. After clicking the plus sign, a small menu will appear with different options. From that menu, select New Group. This tells WhatsApp that instead of starting a one-on-one chat, you want to create a shared conversation that can include multiple participants. Once you click New Group, WhatsApp Web will guide you through the setup process. At this point, you'll be choosing the people you want to include in the group, and then moving forward to complete the group creation. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right contacts, especially if you have similar names saved in your account. That can help you avoid adding the wrong person by mistake. After that, you can continue through the setup to finish creating the group. In most cases, this is where you'll confirm the group details and finalize everything so the chat becomes active. Once the group is created, it will appear in your chat list just like your other conversations, and you can start sending messages right away. One helpful tip is to think about the purpose of the group before you create it. That makes it easier to stay organized and helps everyone understand what the conversation is for. WhatsApp Web makes the whole process smooth, and because you're doing it on a larger screen, it can feel faster and more comfortable than doing it on a phone. And that's it. Creating a group on WhatsApp Web starts by clicking the plus sign above, then choosing New Group. From there, you just follow the prompts to complete the setup and begin chatting with your group.